This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your cursor size in Fedora. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your cursor size in Fedora, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the little system tray area. I'm going to click in the little system tray. Then I'm going to go down to that little gear wheel there. I'm going to click on that gear wheel. That will open the settings dialog box. And in the settings dialog box, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom to where you see it says accessibility. Click on accessibility. Then on the center pane, you want to click on seeing. Then right down here, cursor size. As you can see, I currently have the default cursor size, which is pretty tiny. I'm going to click on cursor size, and it gives you all these options here. The default one is this tiniest one here. Say that I wanted this largest one, you could choose any one of these. I'm going to click on the largest one. Then as soon as your cursor leaves the dialog box area, the change will take effect. Say that I wanted this middle-sized one here. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to take my cursor out of the dialog box. The change has taken effect. That is how to change your cursor size in Fedora. Thanks for watching.